working on one of my soaps for the next release, and also going to be doing one for one of the challenges. This one is textured top, so we can either do piping or we can do textures. And with the textures, you can also use impression mats. So I'm going to do both something on the bottom and something on the top. This one is going to be focusing more on the bottom, so I'm not going to do anything real thick on top. So in case, you know, I decide that the bottom side looks better, I want to be able to have the bar displayed with the top side down, and I don't want it to be falling over. So anyway, I have these in 2 impression mats, and I went ahead and painted them with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and mica. The alcohol has evaporated. So this one has a really deep layer, and the impression is actually going to be recessed into the soap. And this one over here, this one, the design or the texture is very small, so it won't be as much. And like this one, I think the color and everything will be protected more by the soap, where this one I painted the top, and that's going to have more of a flush surface. So this one may rub off more, but I think it's still going to be really pretty. The colors I'm going to do probably I don't know if I'll do an in the pot swirl or drop swirls. And I'm going to be using Mocha from Nurture Soap, Electric Orange, and Synergy, both those also from Nurture Soap. And then I'm going to do the 3 fragrances. It's going to be a coconut mango. I'm going to be using coconut from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I have used this one before. It does have 1% the vanilla, so it will discolor a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and use that mocha in there, and I'm going to pour that in first just so I have a nice contrast with the brown and those colors. And then these 2 are both from Essential Depot. I have Mango Madness and Mango Papaya. They both, when I tested them, they're both very fluid. They smell really, really amazing out of the bottle, but they're very light when you actually make soap with them. So this is going to have more of the coconut scent, but also a little bit of that mango. And for the top, I have these little cookie cutters. I'm going to do a little bit of texturing and probably a little bit of swirling in there. So I'm going to go grab my oils and we'll get started.